Good morning. It's Wednesday and today is Art Day. And we're going to learn about an artist called Henri Matisse today. I'm going to read you a book because our week is sort of focused around birds, and this is called The Iridescence of Birds. Now, iridescence is a word that means kind of sparkly rainbow colored. And you can see it in a pigeon's wings, most specifically. It's quite beautiful. The Iridescence of Birds, a book about Henri Matisse by Patricia McLaughlin, pictures by Hadley Hooper. Those are beautiful, just red end pages. Very simple but beautiful. If you were a boy named Henri Matisse who lived in a dreary town in northern France where the skies were gray, that is a very dreary looking picture, but still kind of interesting. And the days were cold and you wanted color and light and sun. That sounds like England where Mr. Joy grew up. And your mother, to brighten your days, painted plates to hang on the walls. Oh, they are bright and beautiful, aren't they? With pictures of meadows and trees, rivers and birds. And she let you mix the colors of paint. What a good mommy. She loved her boy Henri, didn't she? Yellow and red, red and blue, blue and yellow. You know what all those colors make. You know that yellow and red make. Yes, it does. Red and blue make. And blue and yellow make. If you don't remember, you need to go mix those colors and see what those make. And let you arrange the fruit and flowers she brought from the market. Pears and oranges in a bowl on a tablecloth and flowers in a blue vase. And in the town, people wove silks with colors. Silk is a very, very beautiful cloth made from the webbing or the silk of a silkworm. Yes, they make cloth from silkworms. All tangled one color next to the other, next to the other. And your mother put red rugs on the wall of the house instead of the floors. And on the dirt parlor floor, so all the world looked red. Red rugs on the floor, red rugs on the walls. And you raised pigeons, watching their sharp eyes and red feet. You have to look at pigeons and see if they're red feet. Not orange feet, but red feet. And their colors that changed with the light as they moved, that your mother called iridescence. Would it be a surprise that you grew up to be a fine painter who painted red rooms? And flowers that danced on green stems and fruit in a bowl on a blue and white tablecloth? There he is, painting in his studio when he's an adult. And the iridescence of birds. That's the other thing he painted. The iridescence of birds. All right. We're going to learn a little bit about Henri Matisse today. So you're going to watch the videos. And then you're going to create a bird. And you're going to do it in one of the ways that Henri Matisse painted. So look at the videos of Henri Matisse and then choose a way to paint. And remember, if you don't have paint, use whatever you have to draw. And to create you can also make your picture out of collage, remember? It can be paper collage, but it can be any kind of collage. You can use items to make it out of. So you're going to make a bird in the style of Henri Matisse. All right, I can't wait to see your birds. I'm very excited about this. Have a wonderful day. I love you.